Today we'll talk about how can you clear cache on your Meitu app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do now, so you just go down here, you click here on me down here, and just click here on me. It's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do, you just go down here, you keep going down here, then you come here to clear cache here, and just click on it. So then here you come to this list here. So then here can you clear other cache, just click on it here, and it's going to clear with you here or element auto clear, just enable it. And here can you reset, you click here on clear, then it's going to click here, it's going to clear with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.